that is here. Guess what is here? Is actually the official launch of Miami and Fort Lauderdale for Realty Partners. So we for this one for a while. We did a little pre-soft opening, but now this is the actual official launch where it's going to be. It's going to be at the Courtyard by Marriott Miami Aventura Mall. It is located on 2825 Northeast 191st Street. You're coming southbound from north, coming down exit 16 Eves Dairy. You go right down south on US 1, or you come from south going northbound, exit 14, Miami Gardens. And once you are on the Biscayne Boulevard, you make a left, and that's how you get there. Anybody that's here in area know exactly where it is located. So, who is invited? Well, let me start with who is not invited. No, I'm no mean, but I do this one out of love. I know there are a lot of people that are not gonna like this event. You won't like this event, you're not invited. So who's not gonna like the event? Well, obviously we are a real estate brokerage company. If you are an agent that got your license just because you wanted to save the commission when you buy or sell your own home, you're an agent that only got the license so he can get some extra money out of cousin Vito, of grandma or Aunt Mary, will now keep stay on that chair. If you are a real estate agent that is not happening it for you, and it's not because of you, obviously, is because the market, is because buyers are liars. If you're one of those, that's a comfortable chair. I would not leave that chair to come to my event. Who else is not invited? People that hate change. Shocking news, reality check. Life will change. Either you like it or you don't like it. It's up to you if while it changes, it's going to get better or it's going to get worse. Like my beloved Bebe would have say, I miss you, Bebe. You want some cheese with your wine? Go get it somewhere else. It's not on our event. In our event, we have people that embrace change, people that embrace technology. We provide them the technology. So, you know what? If you don't like change, you won't like our presentation either, our lunch either. Next, stay away if you are negative. We do not want negative people around. Those people that have a problem for every solution, I tell you what, I don't have any solution for your problem, so you don't need to come. And this is not being mean, but you know that whatever you focus on will expand. So let me ask you a question. How many of you would like a huge expansion of negativity? That's right. So don't come unless you have a positive attitude. Now, my love is for you. You guys are invited. You guys are just like our founding fathers are for life, liberty in the pursuit of happiness. Yes, you go out and work hard because you want to make money to have a beautiful life. You that you're on the search of freedom, financial freedom, the liberty to make your own business. You that are in the pursuit of happiness, that means it just doesn't happen. You have to go after that. I was talking with Jose a couple of days ago, and my friend Jose Navarro told me a story that I love about this rich man that is approached by a young man and says, I want to be a millionaire. Really? I'll meet you tomorrow. Come 5 o'clock in the morning on the beach. We'll talk about it. So the young man goes 5 o'clock on the beach. At first, he couldn't find it, and then he noticed that the man is on the water, is inviting over the water. And the young man goes, and so the rich man says, so you wanted to be rich, right? You want to be a millionaire, right? And the man say, oh, yeah. So he grabbed it for his head and push it underwater and hold it and hold it and hold it through the whole struggle, hold it, and then finally release it. And the guy comes back up, gasping for her. What's wrong with you? Well, do you need air? Well, yeah, of course I needed air. Were you desperate? Oh my God, yes, I was desperate. The day you're going to be so desperate to being a millionaire, the days that you are so desperate to be happy, the day that you want to really pursue your happiness and you're ready to move and you're ready to do whatever it takes to get your happiness, and you are invited. We talk about people don't like change. let's talk about people that understand the life change. It doesn't mean that we like it, but we understand that it's going to change anyway. You know what to say when the life give you a lemon? I say that before. Take some salt, put in your hands, grab a nice shot of tequila, and make it a beautiful shot. That means put your running shoes on and let's go get it. So this is the people I want to see. The people that understand that between I can't do it and I can do it is just very simple. Not easy, but a simple cut. Stop focusing on why you cannot do it. You may have 1 million reasons why you cannot do it. You only need one big why. Why do you want to do it, and how can I do it? And I tell you one thing: sometimes it's not easy to do it alone, but together is much easier. And that's what I like about Realty Partners. We are partners. We do things together. We'll make it less difficult. Okay, it's easier when you have somebody together with you. You that when you're on the phone, these words come out of your mouth. I don't know who you are, but I will find you a house. You are motivated. You're a go getter. You don't even know who it is, how you're going to do it, but you're going to do it. I'll give you the way. You're invited. Come at our lunch event. So, yes, we want you. This is not just propaganda. Whoever knows me know how much I care about people. I want you there. I want you at our partner at our party. Don't come by yourself. Bring somebody with you. So you're coming. There is a link. Click on the link and RSVP and do me a favor, forward the link. Now, for all my friends that are not going to make it, please, 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 if you have a friend that is in real estate and you really care for them, tell them to come forward my link. If you have a friend and you know they are lazy one, that they don't care, they are not willing to invest in themselves, I don't see why should I invest. We invest a lot of money in our agent. We do a lot for our agent. We put them in condition to be top producer. So we only want to have that people. So if you cannot make it, do me a favor, do yourself or your friend a favor, just send the link. They will be grateful to you for the rest of their life. So once again, is at the Courtyard Marriott in Miami Ventura Mall. The location is 2825 Northeast 191st Street. It's down in Aventura. It's very close, very convenient. I will wait for you. So it's called being on time, and at what time it is? It's a 6:30 sharp. I will wait for you there. I want to see you over there. I hope we can have. I know we're gonna have a great time. By the way, there is a beautiful outdoor. You guys will love it. We're gonna have some very fun time, nice time. And today, actually, February the 6th, is gonna be the first day of the rest of your life. Thank you. I'll see you there. Have a wonderful day.